Dementia is a terrible problem. We would like to be able to detect the early changes so that we could develop treatments for those early changes so that people never ever have to suffer the indignity of dementia. I'm John Gallacher, Director of the Dementias Platform UK. The Dementias Platform UK is a public-private partnership funded by the Medical Research Council. Its role is to accelerate the development of new treatments by using the power of the many population cohorts we have in the UK. The problem that we're trying to address is that there have been no new treatments developed for about 15 years. And we are in the business of bringing people together, industry and academics, epidemiologists, neuroscientists, to pool their understanding, to pool their knowledge in order to accelerate the development of new treatments. So one of the strengths of the UK science environment is its rich legacy of longitudinal studies. And the value of those studies is they're the only secure way of demonstrating changes in the population over time. The particular value of ALSPAC in this context is the rich data that it has for the early life experience, and this will allow us to identify early life determinants of dementia in a way that I don't think any other cohort can. Because of its breadth and its depth of data, ALSPAC is what you might describe as a living laboratory. It has sufficient detail in if you like, the minutiae of how the cells work and the broader picture of how people live in order to be able to test much more realistic and complex hypotheses. So for those reasons, I think we look forward very much to working with ALSPAC. A particular angle that we will work with them on is remote testing. Remote cognitive testing is really important. You have to be able to test at scale within the range of the normal population to be able to detect subtle differences in order to understand the early changes in the mind, in the brain that are associated with dementia. So we look forward very much to working with the ALSPAC cohort. We think because of these reasons, it will be a critical component of our plans moving forward. I think overall that the value of ALSPAC will be to help us unlock the secrets of dementia for the earlier generations. I think the scientific community owes an incredible debt of gratitude to cohort participants wherever they are. And this is particularly true of the ALSPAC cohort. They have been extremely generous in the giving of their time, and the giving of their comfort on some occasions on behalf of others. And I think we are extremely grateful to them.